Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. It's me, Will Brown, CTA, Chief Technical Analyst right here at Quantum Capital Research Group. I'm in the office this morning drinking a coffee and just want to hop up here with you guys really quick and kind of touch on some points that I made last week and kind of give you a market update and outlook moving forward. But I had mentioned last week, I don't know if I was clear in my statement, so I want to kind of clarify more today. I said, get very well capitalized coming into 2026 because I anticipate there will be a lot more unknown events that are going to pop up, that are going to create opportunities for us to trade under this administration. Trump is moving at lightning speed, and there's so many headlines that are going to pop up and create unknowns. That's what I was trying to say. And a good example was today, this morning, for instance. The stock market opened up slightly lower. This futures market opened up lower because last night they had came out and said that the feds are going to open up an investigation on the Federal Reserve, and that put a little pressure on the futures market. And then the markets opened up lower. I think it's starting to recover. Here's a screenshot of the indices. So what I was saying, it's those types of events that we want to pay attention to because they may be tradable opportunities for us to actually capitalize off of. Some of them may not be anything. They just may be smoke and mirrors. Some others may be profitable opportunities. But that's why it's important to join our membership, Quantum Capital Research, because what we do is we analyze that type of macro data and determine are there profitable trading opportunities there for ourselves and for our members. So this way you don't have to track this type of data, analyze it, and study it. That's what we do, right? That's why we were able to make money off of that Venezuela Maduro plays, because that macro data came in. We were able to quickly analyze it, synthesize it, and turn it into a profitable situation for ourselves. So that's the importance of joining a community like us, where you have active trade managers and active traders who keep their finger on the pulse of news and information that drive the market and impact our trades. So that's one thing I want to update you guys on, and really, pay attention. Pay attention to these news headlines and see how they drive the market. I'm telling you, you're going to see a lot more of them. I don't know why. I just think it's because the way this administration is working. But once again, I love it. They're capitalizing opportunities for us. Once again, like I said, the market has opened up. It was down. It's starting to recover. So it's situations like this where you need to be aligned with a group like ours, so we can tell you, hey, we're still in great spots. You don't have to panic. So quick update, I gave out a freebie out of our Quantum Capital Research Group book of plays last week for ticker symbol BE. I think as of right now, we're up about 25% on that trade. Here's a screenshot of where we are currently in our portfolio with BE. It's like I said, follow this trade. This is the evidence that I use to prove to our members and people like you who are on the sidelines what our trade picking methodology looks like. Right? We put out these calls and we expect that you follow them so you can see how they end up shaping up. And if you're interested in trading these types of trades, open up a paper trading account through Robinhood, Charles Schwab, Interactive Broker, E-Trade, right? You don't have to put real money on the line. Paper trade some of these freebies that I give you so you can see how you can make money utilizing our processes. When you become a member, you get more in-depth detail about how we find and discover some of these trades and the strategies in which we use to put them on and take them off. So I want to encourage you to follow these freebies that I give out. They are evidence that we use to prove to you guys that we do know what we're doing. We have a very long track record. We have articles on our website. Matter of fact, you can go check out an article right now labeled The Venezuela Play on our website, where we actually break down how that play came into being, right? Following the news, the macro data, analyzing it, following the charts, and then putting on that trade and executing. All of that happened, Sunday night when we decided to put that trade on. So that's what we do. We stay very vigilant when it comes to information like this because it's very important for us to hop on it right away. So I'm not going to hold you guys. Once again, take a look at BE, follow that trade. We're currently up about 24-25% on that trade. I believe we had a dang near 50% return on that trade. So if you're looking to earn consistent and reliable returns in the stock market, and I get it, if you're a busy working professional like me, I own and operate a few different businesses myself, 1 brick and mortar, 2 online. It is hard to find stocks, screen, do technical analysis, do research, do macro data analysis, do fundamental analysis and research. That stuff is hard to do when you're a busy working professional. You may not have the bandwidth. So become part of our membership. Join our platform. Let us and my team do all that work for you. We put out the picks and you could just follow them within the members dashboard. We also offer a whole host of advice in training, in traders mindset, things of this nature to really help you acclimate to becoming a very profitable trader. But we're looking forward to continuing to grow our membership this year. We picked up, 10 more subscribers just within the last couple of days because people are starting to see the power in what we're doing. So if you're on the sidelines, feel free to reach out, right? Send me a DM, send a message to our website, ask us any questions, comments, concerns that you may have, post them. We'll follow back up with you. But we really want to encourage you to head over to our website, quantumcapitalresearch.com. Take advantage of our 14-day free trial so you can follow the picks. This is a very fast moving market right now. It's very dynamic, right? So when we put out these picks, they move quick. They're moving quickly. So when we say strike while the iron is hot, this is one of those situations. I think between now and at least the first part of this, before the end of this quarter, we're going to have a lot of bullish momentum that's going to be favorable to us. And those are the types of swings we capitalize off of. If it slows down, that's fine. But you want to make your money in this time frame as much as you can. And that's what we're positioning ourselves and our members to do. So if you want to take part in that type of action and you don't want to miss out on the gains we're sure to book over the next 1 to 6 weeks time frame, head over to quantumcapitalresearch.com. Become a member today.